Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 1, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, hold power key and volume up at the same time, and then select power off. Now once the phone turns off, you will want to hold power key and volume down together. When you see the logo of the device, let go of the power key. Now, there is a slight chance that when you let go of the power key, once you already see this menu, it might reboot the device because the first option that it starts at is start, which sometimes happens that when you let go of it, it accepts it as a command, thus it will reboot the device. If that happens to you, just repeat the process from the beginning. But once you're in here, you can navigate through the options that are visible only right here, using volume up and down, can see, and we can reboot the device. We can enter bootloader, which we are already in it, so not sure what it does. Then we have recovery mode, which will take us to recovery mode. Have power off. We have some boot to FFBM and some other booting options, and then it starts back to start. So there we go, that's basically all we can access from here. So I'm gonna now leave it by confirming start with a power key, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.